Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert math using LaTeX add-in in PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint app. Make sure the program is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options appear correctly. If PowerPoint opens to the home screen, that is perfectly fine. The goal here is simply to launch the app and get ready to work inside a presentation. Next, open a sample presentation. This gives you a place to test the LaTeX add-in and see how mathematical content will look on an actual slide. If you already have a presentation open, you can use that instead, but a sample file is helpful when you want to practice without affecting important work. Once the presentation is open, go to the slide where you want to insert or test your math content. After that, click on Add-ins. This is where PowerPoint lets you access extra tools that extend its built-in features. If you are using a version of PowerPoint with a ribbon menu, look carefully along the top toolbar until you find the Add-ins option. In some layouts, it may also appear under an insert-related section, so take a moment to scan the menu if you do not see it right away. When the Add-ins window or search area appears, enter Math Type. Type it clearly into the search field so PowerPoint can locate the correct add-in. This tool is commonly used to create and insert mathematical equations, including content based on LaTeX, in a clean and professional format. Be sure to select the matching result from the list that appears. Once you have found it, click Add. This tells PowerPoint to install or attach the add-in to your presentation environment. Depending on your setup, the add-in may appear right away, or PowerPoint may take a few moments to load it. If prompted, review the information on screen before continuing. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure. This part may vary slightly depending on your version of PowerPoint or how the add-in is configured. You may be asked to confirm permissions, sign in, or accept terms before the tool becomes available. Read each prompt carefully and continue through the setup until the add-in is ready to use. Once completed, you should be able to access the math tool from within PowerPoint and begin inserting equations more easily. If something does not appear immediately, give PowerPoint a moment to refresh or reopen the add-in panel. That's it. You're now set up to work with math content in your presentation using the LaTeX add-in.